Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa Crafts. Today, I'll show you how to make a 3D cucumber on a vine. First, you'll need some bubble wraps. And then you'll need some tools to do it with, like glue sticks, pencils, and scissors, and some green string to make it look like vines, and some colored paper. Now let's get started. Yeah! Next, you'll need scissors to cut out leaves, and I'm using a lighter green and a darker green so it can look more realistic. Now, time to cut. Now, the lighter green. Then, you'll need a strip of brown paper to make wood out of. Just make designs to make it look like wood. Then you'll need get leaves and make some veins on it to make them more realistic. Next step is to apply glue to your green paper and add some wrap on it. And then the other paper too. Now I'll turn it around and cut a few cucumber shapes. These are the 3 cucumbers. The last preparation is to get some Play-Doh and then shape them into flowers. It's time to glue everything together. If you have some excess, it's okay, you could just cut that. The leaves will go first, then the cucumbers. This is the finished product of the 3D cucumbers. If you like, you could put it in your kitchen or dining room if your mom lets you. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!